Been picking up the vet, doing the car inspection with Chris.
The inspection process with the ultimate detail guy right here. Yes.
And then me.
And I know.
No idea. Okay. I know you don't want to be in the shot.
Yeah, so like if there's that kind of stuff. So the thing, like it was on a truck, right? So you had to look and see it was covered, but they used straps to hold it down. So like one guy had this thing was damaged where the guy took him off the straps. So you're just looking for stuff like that.
So is this like sticker residue, or is that a belt?
That's sticker residue from the.
That goes all the way up in here.
Yeah, that's from the whatchamacallit? The cover part.
I don't want to lick my finger and rub it, so. Because normally, sometimes that's more like a rub into the clear coat.
Right. Okay, so every inch of the paint drips, waves, touch-ups, scratches, defects, damage.
What about black ABS fitting inside the vent? I don't know if that's too minor for this.
I don't know if it's but I'll accept it. No, that's good. Yeah, so
like it's screwed as soon as you drive off. Like, oh my god.
no, that's what. There's all sorts of foreign threads on the bottom of the crack screw, and you get down on the ground and look at it. You know how to do it.
And then he says all you.
And then they're like, oh no, you own it now.
And that's why you want that splitter, because that's right off.
So like this one doesn't belong. This is one thing that bothered me about the car. It's the only thing right here. So instead of making the body wider, they put this little flare on it. Like it's wider, but they could have made the body.
So the other piece is the carbon fiber piece.
Yes.
So then I'm assuming they buy a carbon fiber piece for this piece to match
You
it.
can, yeah.
I like how the tire sticks out a bit more than the rim.
Which is nice, yeah. Maybe it barely saved you from road rash.
Exactly. So as soon as it hits, oh, okay.
Right. You have a millisecond of time to be saved.
That's good. Good eye.
That hair.
Yeah, I thought it was a scratch too.
Some of these water freaking bubbles on the box.
Yeah. Yeah, it's harder because of that. Yeah, they won't care. Right. Okay, cool.
He has to wait for a few minutes to get out. I got this on for a while and like let it get chipped up.
I mean, I don't think they're gonna take it off.
Huh?
I don't think they're gonna take it off. I think.
Well, see, the way it is like they have several cars that have that piece. Like the Cobras have that and stuff like that. And it's like, as soon as you put it on, it almost like they don't warranty it. As soon as they put it on, oh, not warranted.
I wouldn't expect to get
And it's like super low, so it chips everything.
I have a feeling that this piece will get a lot of.
Gets to drive this.
Well, I
matching
mean-
color shirt. Wow.
Although I'll take it occasionally.
I bet. No, because like mine is carbon fiber too,
Found it? Good.
and the front's not chipped, but like if like on the when you leave it in a parking lot and you go down and up or up and down,
It scrapes,
you see the
right?
bottom of it like scuffs.
It scrapes up, yeah.
And if you go too fast, it like just snap.
Which is, yeah. How low is yours? Is it this low?
Mine's pretty much like, yeah, that or an inch lower.
It's pretty low.
So I have the same issues. And the hardest one is like putting on like a trailer to move it or something, because the trailer goes down like that, and you like go like this to drive up it. As soon as you go like that, that splitter hits, and so you have to like have this weird long.
The unveiling of the engine. Da, da, da.
Kinda cool. Well, I love this. Who built my engine? Chase Duvall.
Hey, at least you got a cool name.
It's Robert Duvall's son.
I guess.
I'm trying to recommend it.
Yeah.
Try to average a little bit. So what are the model differences again?
So for 17, 18, and 19, they raised this up, the whole engine up, and then they put this indention into the hood here to try and allow more airflow under the
17,
engine.
18, and 19?
Yeah, and then they added a heat exchanger in 17, 18, and 19 to try and help cooling.
Is this the last year's price tag?
Not sure what.
Which you think would be standard? It comes with the Durango.
That's where I put my secret gun.
Did you already do it?
No.
Well, I would like to show you, but I can't get the crap off here. There you go.
Question, because we kind of, I guess, got confused. There's two separate ways of the body panels of the side skirts and the splitter. There is a front splitter on it, it's just not the as aggressive one, which I see now. I wasn't told that, so I installed what I was given.
You put the poverty splitter on there, man.